Need a desk on the go? This steering wheel tray transforms your car into a productivity hub. The ultimate on-the-go solution. Imagine turning your car into the perfect workstation or lunch spot. The EcoNour 2-in-1 car steering wheel desk makes it possible. Whether you need to get work done, enjoy a meal, or have a quick read, this versatile desk has got you covered. Unlike clunky, traditional car desks, EcoNour offers convenience, function, and style, all in one sleek design. Its dual-purpose functionality includes a flat surface for meals and a spacious section for laptops and writing. This is the solution you've been looking for to make your time on the road more productive and enjoyable. Dual-purpose and effortless design. The EcoNour desk features a thoughtful design that caters to your busy lifestyle. One side has a deep cup holder and ample space for meals, while the other offers a generous surface perfect for your laptop, complete with a convenient pen holder. With its easy-to-install structure, this tray mounts onto your steering wheel securely, creating a stable platform for whatever task you need to tackle. Say goodbye to awkward eating or working while driving. This innovative car desk turns your vehicle into a mini office or dining area in seconds. Travel, commute, or rest, it's perfect for all. For travelers, commuters, or anyone always on the move, the EcoNour steering wheel desk is a game changer. It gives you the freedom to eat, work, or relax in your car with ease. Whether you're in a parking lot, waiting for a meeting, or on a long drive, this car desk helps you make the most of your time. The ergonomic design ensures you're comfortable whether you're working on your laptop or enjoying a meal without making a mess. No more juggling food and paperwork, this desk handles it all. Sleek, durable, and space-saving. Made from durable ABS material, EcoNour's desk is built to last. It attaches securely to your steering wheel, providing a stable surface that won't slip or wobble, even during bumpy rides. At only 0.79 inches thick, this lightweight desk can be easily stored under your seat, ensuring it never gets in the way when not in use. With its stylish beige color, it complements any car interior. Plus, the materials are easy to clean, so maintenance is minimal. This portable solution offers long-term value with its reliability and ease of use. Save time, space, and stress. Why struggle with eating on the go or working from a cramped, uncomfortable space in your car? The EcoNour 2-in-1 steering wheel desk simplifies life on the road, saving you both time and space. Whether you're enjoying your lunch, catching up on emails, or reading your favorite book, this multipurpose tray offers all the room you need for convenience. It's affordable, compact, and tech-tested, making it the perfect addition to your car accessories. With EcoNour, enjoy the freedom to work or relax from your car without missing a beat.